जी स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? आई होप आप सब ठीक हैं। आज की इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे आपसे फिजिक्स के पेपर के जो सेकंड टाइम पे आया और क्या सवाल आए आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपसे डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ कि पहला क्वेश्चन क्या आया। तो स्टूडेंट्स, पहला क्वेश्चन था डिफाइन प्रिसीजन एंड एक्यूरेसी। उसके बाद था जी डिफाइन राइट द टू यूजेस ऑफ डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस। उसके बाद कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब एंड इट्स अनसर्टेनिटी हुज एज लेंथ इज 2.525 एंड प्लस माइनस। Write the dimensions of pressure and density. Suppose the sides of the enclosed polygon represent vector arranged in a head to tail. What is the sum of these vectors? Show that the sum of the difference of two perpendicular vectors of equal length are also perpendicular and of the same length. If a is equal to 2 pi and 2 pi कह रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पर, ये डायमेंशंस हैं 2i and 2j. Then what will be the orientation of a vector a? Define impulse and show that how it is related to the linear momentum. The horizontal range of projectile of is 4 times of its height. What is the angle of projection of the projectile? स्टूडेंट्स, उसके बाद हमारे पास सवाल जो आया था वो है जी व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रॉकेट प्रोपल्जन। फाइंड द एंगल ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ प्रोजेक्टाइल फॉर which its height and range are equal. फिर explain what do you understand by the term viscosity. फिर आज ही write short answers of the 8 questions. State work energy principle, also write its relation. An objective has 1J joule potential energy. Explain what does it mean. A girl drops a cup from a certain height which breaks into pieces. What energy changes are involved? Find rotational kinetic energy of hoop. उसके बाद define angular displacement, how its direction can be found. Show that orbital angular momentum LO is equal to mvr. Explain the relation between the energy, potential energy, kinetic energy of a oscillating body with simple harmonic motion. उसके बाद जी सवाल आया आपको if a Maxwell spring system is hung vertically and set into oscillations, why does the motion eventually stop? Does the acceleration of simple harmonic oscillator remains consistent during its motion? Is the acceleration ever zero? Explain. Describe the effect of density on speed of sound. How are beats useful in tuning musical instruments? उसके बाद जी explain why sound travels faster in warm air than in the cold air. ठीक है जी। उसके बाद कुछ सवाल आए हैं जी write short answers of the 6 questions. Why the center of Newton rings is dark? Under what conditions two more sources light behave as a coherent sources? उसके बाद what is optical fiber? Write down 2 uses of fiber optics. When the telescope is said to be in normal adjustment, why would it be advantageous to use blue light with a compound microscope? Define the term internal energy. Prove that the maximum efficiency is always less than of 1 or 100%. Why does the pressure of a gas in a car tire increase when it is driven through the some distance? उसके बाद है जी specific heat of a gas at constant pressure is greater than the specific heat at constant volume. Why? उसके बाद क्वेश्चन है जी define scalar product of two vectors. Write down the 4 characteristics of scalar product. A proton moving with a speed of 1.0 into 10⁻⁷ meter per second passes through 0.020 centimeter thick sheet of paper and emerges with a speed of 2.0 into 10⁻⁶ meter per second. Assuming uniform deceleration, find the retardation and time taken to pass through the paper. ये आपके लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आ गए हैं। What is the variable force? Discuss work done by the variable force. So the wavelength of a signal from a ratio transmitter is 1500 meter and frequency is 200 kilohertz. What is wavelength of a transmitter operating 1000 kilohertz and with the what speed the radio waves travel? तो स्टूडेंट्स, मज़ीद वीडियोज़ जो हैं इस तरह की क्वेश्चन की आती रहती हैं इस चैनल पे, तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि सारी इस तरह के जो 9th क्लास के सारे पेपर हमने अपलोड करने हैं तो आपको मिल जाएंगे। ठीक है। चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. डिफाइन सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स विद एन एग्जांपल. प्रूव दैट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स इज Fc is equal to mRw square omega square. फिर है ये what gauge pressure is required in the city mains for a stream of a fire hose connected to the mains to reach the vertical height of 15 centimeter. Define molar specific heat of a gas. Prove that Cp is equal minus Cv is equal to R. उसके बाद है जी a spring whose spring constant is 80 Newton per meter vertically supports the mass of 1.0 kg in the rest position. Find the distance by which the mass must be pulled down so that on being released it may pass the mean position with the velocity of 1 meter per second. उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स 9th क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज astronomical telescopes, describe its construction and working, derive a formula to calculate its magnification power. In a double slit experiment, the second order maximum occurs at the degree of theta is equal to 0.25 degree. The wavelength is 650 Newton meter. Determine the slit separation. तो ये सेकंड टाइम का पेपर एंड मजीद वीडियोस के इस चैनल के साथ रहो. सो दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच. अपना दूसरों का ख्याल रखना.